fly. I have an idea. This sounds so satisfying. Muntik na ka doon. Ingat treadmill.
Wait, keep jumping on it. This, if you're lagging. Hey, wait, I just hit the jackpot.
I just hit the jackpot. Okay.
Sabi lang 20.
What happened?
It's not.
It got deleted. Okay, time to play another game.
Wow. Wait, play mo yung kanina. Jump to get.
Jump is... What the? It's unbelievable.
Jump and, shoes. Shoes and parang jump.
Ano pa yun? Ito.
Yes.
Backflip, escape.
Yeah. I'm so excited. And then I want a place. About a place. About a place.
My brother is going crazy.
Let's go. Get wins. If someone's lagging, that's good.
If someone is not,
Makakapunta ka sa Metro area.
eh, I'm not lagging. Now it's lagging. Now it's not.
Did you quit Gaval 2 days ago? Did you quit Gaval 2 days ago when I did?
Nope.
2 days ago, sinabi mo, I will quit Gaval.
Sabi ko, I will quit.
Hindi, I quit. I will. Let's go to Crystal. Jump, jump, jump. Okay? The ship gets me. You like this much. You is the Mr. Laggy name.
Mr. Lag.
But Laggy in that name is good. It's better. Music.
Gonna play MM2. I'm gonna win OM2. Bro, GEG. Ipagdadamot kita.
Ipagdadamot kita. Uy,
Musik. Unlag.
Tingnan mo, ito yun. Ayun yun. Ay, since day one, yun, sayang.
6:12 na.
Luka!
Archive na bro.
Ano password ni Coco? Sige, ito na. Lahat ka na dyan, ha? Kung yung planet ng OP game, huwag mo ako tanong. Ito na. Oh, may bill. Dali lang mo.
What is my brother? The one. Right, my home, guys.
I have a sky base. I parkour to space. Look.
What look?
What is the shield button?
If you press it, it will go away. My live stream will go away.
That ain't live stream. Daily deals.
Love. Who just did that?
May, ano yan? Ano yung pinapakanta mo?
Since day one.
Bakit mo sinabi? Ikikisa na rin yun. Sayang. Coco.
Brave. Why are you looking at me, Bra?
Game Master. Giraffe.
Okay.
Pam cellphone. Just 1 hour. Ayil hour. Joke lang. I'll live stream. I make a video. Nyo. Asan na yung iPad ni ko? Nico. iPad ni Nico. iPad ni Nico. Nasaan? iPad ba ni Nico? Tama. Hola. Yobi. I'm gonna fight with someone. I can't play Roblox. Toot. 1, 3, 2, 1. Go. I'm 1v1ing a 100 level guy. Kill Supreme Tourist Stickman.
Honestly, I would play some games that has updates.
Let's try Yivas.
What the?
One hit niya ako. Sana nang natamaan niya ako, instant patay ako. Ano ba siya? Saitama?
No.
What the gulay? This is hell for you.
You joined me.
It ends.
Let's see more in base.
That's not it. Kaya tapos pa mga tayo, no?
Morin, ilan pera mo?
Ito.
Mas pandis ka, pandis ka kay Morin. Tignan mo pera ni Morin, no? Pandis ka. Tan,
Saan? Haha, I can fly with the umbrella. With color yet. What's the doggy? That ain't colorful dog. It was born to be not that color. It was born to be not that color. Tigo, Marcos. Oh, yes.
wala pa yan.
I feel you. I can fly. Yeah. Uy, nakikita ko. Uy. What? I just made a powerful baby.
Nagliba ka.
What did you get? I am absolutely cooked. He is now baby. And he's still not halal. I am sure I can do it. Finally! Tayi! Shooting in umbrella, that is useful. Yes, you can fly with them. And get the first hit when you're good.
Morin, wala ka laging kuya. Six, seven. No this time.
Oh, no, you make me distracted. Hey, guys. Moment. Who died first? I was born young. And I play with him again. I match he too, and he will sit me with as my guy. Okay, we started the game. It's already dying. I killed him before I did the game because I was scared. I made everything hard and I still win. What the? This is a 100 level. Is that a baby? I won. Look, a fountain small. This is a flying zone. You know what? I'm gonna play Roblox later.